To enable snapping in the program monitor in Premiere Pro, first select your object with the selection tool, hold down the Control key or Command key on the Mac whilst dragging. You'll see that the red lines, the guides appear to show you what you're snapping to. So I'm going to snap here to the left side of the sequence, but I'll snap it back into the middle. If I'd like to see the guides all the time, I can come up to the View menu, down to Snap in Program Monitor. So now as I just drag my text around, it will show me what I'm snapping to. I'll just turn that off for now. Snapping can also be very useful for changing the position of the anchor point. So this circular object here is the anchor point, and it controls properties such as the rotation and scale of my text. So I'll just show you that. If I rotate my text here, you can see it rotates around its anchor point. I'll just reset that. So if I want my text to rotate from the middle and scale from the middle, I need to move the anchor point into the middle of the text. And I'll do that again using the Control key or Command key to ensure it's exactly in the middle. Now I'm going to rotate it and scale it, and you can see it does that from the anchor point. I hope the video has been useful. Thank you for watching.